How to change text colors in Notes on iPhone iOS 18. With the recent update of iOS 18, we now have the ability to change the colors on our notes. Now this is extremely simple. First things first, you want to make sure that you are on the iOS 18, and once inside, you can just go ahead and navigate through the Notes application. Inside Notes, you can just go ahead and create your own notes right here. In my case, I'll just go ahead and click on this one. And once inside, you can just go ahead and start typing right away. In my case, I'll go ahead and type this one. And if you want to change the colors for this text, you can just go ahead and highlight a specific word right here. And you want to click on the AA button or the AA icon. Once inside, you can then go ahead and see the colors icon right here. Just go ahead and click on it, and from here we then have the ability to choose between these colors right here. If I want to change my word right here into something like orange, I could just go ahead and click on it. For our second word, I'll go ahead and change it into something like blue. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.